Sexy! Lalaki yung boses, babes.
Na-conscious.
Ulit. Kot.
Hindi na na-ilena, lupit.
Stop! You're no longer allowed to say over. I am a police officer. See? Police officer. Sit down. Sit down. For your case is the circulatory system. Now, I have a test. Coming in 2 weeks. I need you to teach me about the circulatory system. All I know about the circulatory system is that it's composed of capillaries and arteries which connects the heart to other organs, which makes the transport of oxygen possible, and also the transport of carbon dioxide and other waste materials. Now, you must elaborate more on my knowledge. Go.